All right, guys, today we are talking about that bounce at the bottom of a clean. What are those? It is called a 1 1/4 squat. The whole idea of a 1 1/4 squat is to channel momentum to help you get out of the hole if you get penned on a heavy squat clean. I'll show you what they look like. So, going for a heavy clean, let's say I got 350 pounds on the bar. If I'm gonna hip jump, let's say the bar smushes me, right? And I land in kind of a compromised position. Maybe my elbows are down. What I'm gonna do is reposition my elbows, get them up nice and high. I'm gonna bounce, drop right back down, and then physically stand it up. I'll show you from the side. So once again, down at my shins, jump, squat, bounce, and drive out of it. It's a technique used by Olympic weightlifters, once again, to help you get out of the hole if you get pinned on a heavy clean. The best way to practice is just directly from the rack doing a set of front squats. So get those elbows up nice and high, big step back, big inhale, hold your breath, full squat, come just above parallel, drop, then drive right back up aggressively as you stand. Once again, from the side profile, big inhale, hold your breath, full squat, above, right back down, drive to get out of that hole. And I'm making my whole body an active participant, reaching up with my elbows, reaching out, punching up using my lats, squeezing my butt. All right, guys, think about doing 4 sets of 8 to build the technique. And then as you get more confident, you guys can incorporate it into those heavy cleans. Get after it.